What did trademark investigations involve before websites existed? This is Throwback Thursday. Join me as I dive into the past and challenge myself to uncover what trademark investigations were really like before the internet existed. Hi, I'm Tim Santoni. I've been a licensed private investigator for over 20 years. I've handled tens of thousands of trademark and intellectual property investigations over the years. My clients include law firms in the AmLaw 100 and Fortune 500 brands. Back in the day, if a company you were investigating didn't have a website, it didn't mean they didn't exist. We maintained quite a collection of phone books with yellow page listings, but we didn't have current and historical phone books for every city and county in the US, so we had to get creative. Remember, we didn't have phones in our pockets with integrated cameras, and not every investigator carried around a film camera. So in many cases, the first step was to buy a disposable camera at a market or drugstore on your way to the location. We would arrive at the shopping center and locate the business and discreetly canvass the area looking for all signage. We would then approach the business discreetly and engage the employee or store owner in a conversation to learn more about the business. We would ask about how long they've been in business, products or service they have offered, and oftentimes get an estimate or quote. Back in those days, many businesses had printed literature and marketing sheets that were readily available. We would grab the marketing sheets and a business card before heading out. Then, on the way out, snap some photos with our disposable camera of the location, signage, and products. It was very important to do the photos on the way out so that if you got caught or run off by the business, at least you had some statements, photos, and a visual inspection. The next step was to find a payphone with the phone book anchored to it. You would search yellow page listings to see if the business you were investigating had a listing. If you located a business listing, you would take a picture of that page or simply tear it out. If you didn't find a listing, you would photograph or tear out the page where the business listing would have been placed. Then, you head back to the office, get your film developed, and have the photographs printed or put on a CD so you can insert them into your report. Put it all together and you have a trademark investigation with scene inspection. One of our clients was a major auto manufacturer back in the day. They had us go out to various known auto shops that were using the automaker's logo and font on their signage to advertise that they worked on those types of vehicles. We would go into the shop, get an estimate from the shop on their estimate form, invoice, or whatever they had, then leave and take photos of all the infringing signage. If you have any questions about trademark investigations, both then and now, please let me know.